Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and in this video I am going to be telling you how to write any language on your mobile. And yeah, always guys, remember to subscribe, like and share, and let's make this video just like our 10 times faster video. I'll leave it on the screen. It hit 248 views. And let's hit that again with this video. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So first you will just need to obviously have your phone on you, and you will need to go on the Play Store, and then you will just need to write Google Keyboard. So I'm gonna write that. Then you need to press the first link, and then you need to press install. Then you will need to press open, and then it will show you your step 1, select Gboard and your language and input settings, and then press enable in settings. Then press the Gboard setting, and then press attention. When it says that, press OK. Then it will tell you your step 2. Then it will tell you what to do. Press Gboard, and then it will say ready to go. I press done. So yeah. So then you got a lot of options like preferences, theme, text correction, gliding typing, voice typing, and dictionary. Well, let's just head over to languages. And if you wanted to add another language, for example, you just press add keyboard, and you will head over to all languages. Any language you like, guys, it's no problem. So I'm going to find Chinese on my board. So there it is. So there will be 2 options. I'm just gonna press simplified. Then you just have to press done. Then just press the home button. Then you might want to write something. Just go to Google, and then if I'm going to write something, it will show up as English at first, but you have to hold a space bar, and then it will show you your settings of which ones you chose. It won't actually show it, some will, but I'm going to type something right now. I don't know what that says because I don't understand Chinese. But anyways, yeah guys. Then if I wanted to put it back to English mode, I would just press English UK, and then it was just back to English, guys. Then if I want to go back to the home button, yeah. And guys, if this video helped you a lot, remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.